Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I will be showing you how to make your own template in Notion. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly. So you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead to the official Notion.so website and log into your account. After logging into your account guys and creating your first Notion, you will be greeted by this main page right here. You will be greeted by a page, and then at the left side of the screen you can use the search bar, you can see your updates, you can see your team spaces, all of your pages and so on. So guys, let's go ahead to a page that we want to turn into a template. I'm going to go ahead and create a new page guys by clicking this plus button right here, and this will now go ahead and create a new page for me. So let's name it our own template. So after naming it guys, now you can see that you can add either some icons or some new properties if you want. So I'm going to go ahead and start typing. We're going to go ahead and add a new property. First thing, let's go ahead and create to-do list. Let's go ahead and create a to-do list, and here you'll be able to type in some to-do lists like we have created a template. After that guys, we can go ahead and add some new icons. Let's say we want to add a table, some simple table with some cells, and as you can see guys, now we have successfully created a page. So let's say that in the future we want to create a page that looks like this one, but we do not want to make it from zero again. So how do you do that guys? Well, you have two ways to do it, and they're both simple. The first way guys is to go ahead and click this option right here, these three dots next to the name of the page. So clicking on these three dots guys, you can see this will now open up this new drop down menu that you can use, and here is an option called duplicate. You want to click on duplicate guys, and now as you can see this will duplicate our template, and it will open up a new page with this template. So now you can use this template. You can just change the text to something like tutorial video. As you can see guys, it is still the same template, but it is just we can change it as how we want. It will not change in the original. And the second option guys is to go ahead to the original template and go right here into the upper right corner and click these three dots right here. Clicking on these three dots guys, you can import or export this page. You can export it, and then you can export it, and later on when creating a new page you can just import the page that you have exported, and you will have the same template again. So yeah guys, that's how you do it basically. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.